DJM TV.
Live there, stay by the side. How far are you now? You know, sis. Push it out. No, leave her. Just stay where you are. Stay where you are, don't worry. This is not disturbing. Stay where you are. Sorry. So, Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, taking the lead, as you can see. He's taking the lead. Our digital DG taking the lead, as you can see, and Edo youths are following the example. As we speak, this exercise is ongoing across the 18 local governments. So Edo youths are filling it up. As you can see, Edo youths are working. They are filling up.
ESSI, what are you guys? You are just standing. Big bag and big things. That's why we are here.
Yeah.
I'm not here for decoration now. Pick a bag and be picking things around. That's all.
As you can see, Mr. Speaker is also part of this as well, taking the lead. And I'm the only challenge.
Yeah, the back.
So the youths, they fill up the wheelbarrow. As you can see, the DG is taking out the flag to where it will be properly disposed. So if you are watching this live,
ask them to bring the bags. They are bringing them back.
Deputy Governor is taking the lead.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Please move backwards. Okay, see me move backwards. So it's Operation Clean Up Edo. The Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu is taking the lead, as you can see. So we are urging Edo youth across the 18 local governments to do the needful.
Look back.
Don't look back now.
Leadership by example.
That is what we are seeing here today.
Excellence.
Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu.
Comrade Philip Shaibu. Doing the needful.
Yeah, you don't know he's a youth. Our deputy governor is a youth. He's supposed to be. He's a very strong person.
No. Okay.
Yes, of course.
This is what happens when you have a youth as a deputy governor. It's a great example for our youths. So you are seeing Edo youths walking. This is what is happening here. Edo youths are walking. It's cleaning exercise to kick off the Alagodaro 2020. That is what we are seeing. This face. Ah, Madam Red Cross, you did a video too. I just say we're gonna walk. Okay, with the snap the joy. Alright, it's okay. We are too close to this man. Give him breathing space. So what we see here is leadership by example. Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu taking the lead. See Edo youths are sweeping, gathering the debris, and then putting it inside the wheelbarrow. Thereafter, they proceed to the truck where they properly dispose it.
Hello.
Bro, sorry, man.
People do not block you.
What of activity? People need bags. They need bags for the extra one. So you are using the...
Bring that one. Sorry, ma. Bring that one.
This one. Just tired.
Let them finish. Let them Let's go. Give me a chance.
No. Excuse. Don't worry yourself. Me wait there. Me know what I do. The arrival of the way can see. The arrival of the way can see, Governor. Ah, bro, Safa, you did my live video. Oh, if we should leave, let's see the governor. We can see is part of this hour. Exercise. This face, Ogapo, abeg. You know, say we need to capture this moment. It is very, very important.
Mama, you take position there. No, I thought you were forging ahead.
Okay, sorry. Our governor is here.
You come up for road, say give a chance. Do not care what
I'm tired. I leave the man alone. Clear the way. This thing for me. Space up.
Raise up for the speaker.
Forget now my work begins. Not beating me, I'm used to this.
Press you join
Yeah, now today we don't do this work.
you
Space up. Excuse me. So the way can see governor is here. Excuse.
That's our digital governor.
There. Excuse. Move. Okay, excuse. Move. Clear the way. Clear the walkway. Voila. So the crowd here. Keep moving. So the governor is taking the lead. You know he's a people's governor now, so he attracts crowds. So it's very difficult. People want to be seeing him. They want to be seeing him walking. So I got a glimpse of him just now. I hope you guys saw it. The crowd is overwhelming. Like everybody is interested in seeing the governor. Well, even while he's walking. Is he addressing? Excuse, give chance.
You guys should step back a little.
Sorry, sir.
You guys should step back a little.
Step back a little, please.
Step back a little.
Step back a little. Madam, waiting now. Take it easy, take it easy. Please, you. Take it back soon, money. My day back. She's here. Take. You plug your mic.
Okay, you take off.
Youths have gathered here today to collaborate with the state government. What measures are we putting in place to ensure that this program is sustained?
You will, as you will hear during Laudaro and my broadcast, my inauguration broadcast, cleaning Edo is now our priority. Going forward, we want to create a culture where we live in cleanliness and in a clean environment. We are going to strengthen our laws. The speaker is here, the environmental laws, and penalize those who litter the environment, whose premises are dirty, and who do not take our environmental laws seriously going forward. Edo must look attractive to people, and it's our responsibility to clean up, not just that of government. And I'm so glad that the youths, the young people, have now taken on the initiative, and they are going to work with me and help me police the state to make sure that the state is clean.
Your Excellency, a few weeks ago, youths took to the street. The protest was eventually hijacked. There was a lot of carnage, damage. But today we have it again gathering. What does this mean?
Well, I think we have to separate the criminality from youth and stop this stigmatization that every youth is a criminal or is a potential criminal and irresponsible. You can see today that the young people are the ones leading the initiative. And that is what we want to continue to show in Edo State, that these young people are capable of ruling this country, even better than what some of us are doing today. And we will continue to encourage and support them. The future is theirs, we must give it to them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So,
you go like
Oga, go behind. We wait, good space here. We don't know what we do.
Okay, no problem.
People just want to let the man breathe. Give him space. They no green let him breathe. All this Obaseki nation. Let the man be.
They want to talk to you.
Some of them, where they have their businesses, they are not cleaning it up. So the governor is engaging one of them. You have your business here, you cannot clean up your surroundings. It's very bad. That's so. Say no wahala, madam. See where una dey put una business. Everywhere dirty, una no fit sweep. Now so that they do something. See where una business dey to sweep on a problem. Screech credibility. My governor gets.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.